Hello everyone, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. Today we are studying one of the most famous poems of Pablo Neruda. This poem is in 10th class Maharashtra State Board syllabus. So let us start. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. The title itself is very symbolic and very interesting. You may wonder that what is the meaning of this? You start dying slowly. It's very simple. That you start dying slowly means you and your activities are responsible for your own destruction. Destruction in the sense it is a kind of mental destruction that poet wants to hint here. So let's continue. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. So here the poet very surprisingly coming up with a very small things, that how if you don't, if you are not getting involved in some small but still very important in your life, if you are not doing these things, then definitely you are going to miss something and it will create a problem in your life. So that is comparable, that is compared to the person's death. Okay, if you do not travel, if some people you may see that they even don't go outside, they are not at all excited to see the world outside. People, they don't read, they are not at all interested in the activities like reading. Why so? Maybe they are very lethargic, they are very lazy, and they are least bothered what is happening around. So that is the point here by Pablo Neruda. He wants to indicate the human tendency, that how people become introvert. They don't even bother what is happening around. They don't travel, they don't read anything, and they are too much introvert in their own life. If you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. So, if people don't listen to the sounds of life, what does poet want to indicate here? That you don't entertain the life, you don't enjoy your life, the moments that are gifted by nature. If you do not appreciate yourself, if you have done any small thing and you have achieved success, then you have to appreciate yourself. Don't get discouraged. If other people are not appreciating, if other people are not taking care of your achievement, then you yourself shall appreciate it. And if you don't do these things, if you don't travel, don't read, don't appreciate yourself, then you are responsible for your own death. This is a mental death, it's not physical. You start dying slowly because each and every moment is passing, because each and every moment is passing through our life. When you kill your self esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. People are really very introvert, they don't ask for any help, and some people are happy with the feeling of their own character. Okay, and sometimes that specific feeling take the form of egotism. Okay, egoistic people sometimes are very egoistic. So instead of becoming egoistic, you should have some self esteem. You shall not kill your self esteem. What self esteem is? It is a kind of feeling happy with your own character, and you know all your abilities, all your potential, and you respect it. That is called self esteem. So if you kill it, then what will happen? Then you will start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Some people are very much occupied in the same routine. They don't like doing anything new. They have been following the same patterns of their habits, right? Isn't it? They don't change even their routine. If any person is following a specific path going for the office, then they always like to follow the same path. So poet is against that. Poet is telling us that you have to try something new. Even you have to try each and every color in clothes. It is symbolic that you have to test each and every color of this life. Or you do not speak to those you don't know, and therefore people are very afraid to have some conversation with the unknown people. Then you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast. When we are very passionate, when we are dealing with something new things, we challenge something new, then it what does it do then? Our heartbeat get faster than the previous one. You see, you check on yourself that when you are doing something challenging, you start doing something new, then your heartbeat start in a very different manner. And actually what happens, you feel something new. It gives a kind of sparkle on your face, in your eyes, right? If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job, sometimes what happens, that people, they are not satisfied with their jobs, still they continue. Or with your love, they are not happy in their love relationship, still they continue. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime, Pablo Neruda is telling all of us that you at least should take risk in your life at least once. See how life is there. If you are not satisfied with your job, then do something, try something new. When you are stuck in your relationship, then you have to try something one new one, and allow something uncertainty in your life. Take such risk, then only you are living. Otherwise you are dying slowly. At least once in your lifetime, to run away from sensible advice. It's not always sensible to listen the sensible advice. Are you getting that? All the time you are listening to people and you are not taking any risk in your life. Is it really sensible? Is it really wise? Yeah, you should take some advice from people, but all the time being afraid, you are taking advice from people and you are not ready to do something new. So Pablo Neruda is against it. So it's really a wonderful poem. Poet wants us to do something new here. Otherwise, otherwise your spirit will die and you will live a very normal and ordinary life. Thank you very much.